Hello everyone, I'm Poonam. I'm the VP for Migration and Modernization here at Acuvate and been around with Acuvate for more than almost a decade today. In my present role, I have the opportunity to work very closely with customers across the globe, helping them with their digital transformation journey. And we have started observing a lot of customers who want to migrate their existing reports and dashboards to Power BI, owing to the advancements that Fabric is making and the benefits that users are observing with this kind of a tool. So what we have done is, though we have been helping customers even historically to migrate from various workloads, right? Even in the past, we have done a lot of migrations from Tableau to Power BI. Based on the experience that we have here, we have gone ahead and created an accelerator that helps us to speed up these migrations. So in effect, we are able to reduce the time for migration as well as the cost for migration for our customers, right? So here what you can see on my screen is a quick overview of the process that we are following as part of our accelerator. So first and foremost, we go ahead and we connect with the Tableau server. We go ahead and scan all the reports available right there, get a detailed list of the reports, and then this helps the business users to prioritize which reports can be archived and which reports need to be migrated, which set do they begin with first, etc. Then we go ahead and extract all the key pieces of information like the KPIs, the objects, the data sources, and so on. Along with that, we also bring in the look and feel part of it, right? The theme that is being applied to the reports. In addition to that, one of the core components of the solution is the calculated fields in Tableau. So what we are doing is we are automating that part as well. We go ahead and map the Tableau's calculated fields to Power BI's DAX queries, whatever are the relevant DAX queries, right? Once we have extracted all this information, we are now ready to go ahead and actually create those visualizations. So with this way, we continue to maintain the business experience so that it's very easy for the business users to adopt to Power BI, moving away from Tableau. Next slide, please. Yeah. Thank you, Pradeep. So here what you can see on my screen is one of our recent customers. So I mentioned to you earlier, we have worked using this tool with multiple customers. So this is one of the testimonial from our customers who appreciates the work that we have done. So with AcuWeave, we are able to reduce the overall migration cost by almost 70% by using our tool. In addition to that, if you do a business ROI thought, right? If you give that a thought, from a licensing perspective, there's huge cost saving when you compare Tableau licenses with Power BI licenses. And that's what we are trying to leverage here as part of the business benefit of this kind of migration.